Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Marvel Spider-Man Remastered game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your subtitle settings. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Spider-Man game on your device, and once you are inside the main menu, go ahead and click on Settings. Now within the Settings page, you will see the text language at the top, but this will not make any change to your subtitles. So go underneath the Games option and click on Subtitles, and now you can choose to enable or disable subtitle. Set it to on if you want your subtitles to be visible, and you can also change the size and look at the preview at the right side on how each size will look. You may also change the subtitle background color as well as the color of the subtitle. After making your desired changes, you can simply go back and your changes will be saved automatically. And now, you can start your game or continue playing from wherever you left off with your chosen subtitle settings right away. And there you have it. That is how you can change your subtitle options within the Spider-Man Remastered game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.